Good morning again. Ryan.Walters here, your Coachella Valley Realtor. Today we're in University Park Village, Palm Desert, touring University Park new luxury houses. If you look on a map, it is one of the last few plots of land that is completely open just south of the Highway 10 freeway, and this will be completely developed into homes, shopping, dining, and most importantly, hence the name University Park, we are directly across the street from Cal State San Bernardino, Palm Desert, as well as University California Riverside Palm Desert campuses. These are both up-and-coming campuses, not a lot going on now, but I think in the next few years this area will be very popular and built out quite a bit. Today we'll be taking a look at the Century Collection. There are 3 model homes, and we're going to be taking a look at just Residence 1 today. It is a 1,550 square foot home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, but the top 2 bedrooms could be converted to be 2 suites instead. So it would be a 2-suite, 2.5 bath. This is a Lennar development, and there are 3 different collections here between the Century, Village, and District collections, and there is a total of 10 model homes to pick between the 3 of those. Let's go in and take a look at one of them. as you see, here's the resort style relaxing spa and entertainment room they're going to be building here on this site for University Park. Just a matter of time. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for touring Residence 1 with me, part of the Century Collection here at University Park, Palm Desert. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think of this residence and anything else I could help with here in town. My contact information is in the description below if you'd like to set up a private tour for this home or any of the other models' home in this development or anything else throughout Palm Desert and the Coachella Valley. Like anything else I could help with, let me know. Have a great weekend.